on, everybody?
What's up with it?
Tyler and Rem here. We got some really exciting stuff for today's episode. We're gonna be fishing a new spot on the Colorado River, fishing a new river we haven't hit on the channel, and also fishing with the Colorado Fishing Adventure boys over here.
What's up, guys?
So these guys are gonna be starting a new YouTube channel. They haven't started it yet, but I'll leave a link above and I'll leave one in the description as well, so you guys can check them out when they do start. So it'll be Colorado Fishing Adventures, guys. Make sure you guys check them out. It's gonna be some really great stuff. These guys are some really great youthful anglers. And what are we gonna get into today?
Brown trout, rainbows, maybe some sucker.
Maybe some sucker, maybe some puppos.
Anything that swims in there.
Anything that swims, awesome. So we've already checked out a little bit of the water on the first part of the stretch that we're hitting. It looks really prime. So guys, cross your fingers, wish us luck, and we'll see you down by the water. All right, Josh with the first fish of the day. Of course, guys, you already know, using some of those dynamic lures. Nice little brownie. Nice, man. Good stuff. Yeah.
Yep.
HD brown doesn't work, and so I'm gonna go with the HD. It's a white one. It's Ghost. Yep. We are on. A nice little rainbow, maybe a cut bow. Come here. Pure rainbow. A beaut. About 15, 16 inches. All right, buddy. Out of there. All right. At least we know what they're looking for.
Got it. No, I got one on my shoulder. Yeah, super fast action. Like no pauses. Just insane twitches. Yeah. Yeah. First fish of the day. Got that on the HD Bubblegum. All right, everybody. Some nice golden brownness. Oh. All right, probably about a 14, 15. Beautiful fish. Yeah, both those fish I was just... Yeah, I like to use that when the water's a little tainted. All right, as you guys can probably hear on the audio, wind's picking up pretty bad. I was about to start throwing some micro minnows, but definitely not now. So Cole has got a fish down there, guys, so everybody is officially out of the skunk zone. Always a good thing when everyone gets out of the skunk zone on the trip. Oh, Jesus. No, I almost cast onto the shore. The wind took it. All right, everybody, so we just got done hitting the first stretch. Everybody's out of the skunk zone, so feeling pretty good about the day. So we're gonna head to the second spot right now, so we'll see you guys over there. All right, you guys, now at the second spot. Gonna be working this whole little stretch. Oh, okay. Got to see Remy do a little miscast action. But some more good water. Josh just missed one off that seam. We're gonna be working our way all the way down into this little canyon area. All right, you guys, I'm on. Switch to the HD Ghost. Oh, a little brown. Well, HD Ghost action. White's the way to go today, I guess. Yep. Oh! I saw him come up and nail it. It was probably about 16, 17. It was decent size. He bit it, though. That's why I said it. Oh, dang it. Where? Oh my God, it's had another flash. Dude, they're right out in front of us. Yep. Yeah. All right, in a bit of a compromised position here. Yay, little brownie. Little brown trout. Nice colors though. Yeah. Oh man, guys, I wish I was just recording while I was walking up. I was walking up and I saw this lure and that brown trout just came and crushed it right there on that sandbar. Nice. Yeah, he came up and smashed that thing.
That's what happened.
He came up and smashed that thing. Oh, that's got some nice spots. All right, just exploring the river type day. Kind of at the end of spot 2, and then we'll be getting to spot 3. Really good times here. Hey! Josh is already on, just walked out here, he already got one. All right, you guys, spot 2, you know, all of us got some fish, pretty good times. So we're gonna be going to spot 3 now. It's gonna be on the Eagle River. We haven't fished that river yet on the channel. As you guys know, we're trying to fish all these different lakes and rivers for you guys across the state. So happy to be getting after that. So we'll see you guys there. All right, you guys, we are at spot number 3. We are on the Eagle River. I guess the last time that these guys were here, the water was a lot higher. We'd be standing in it right now, but you know, we still got some nice pockets, still got some nice side current to hit. Remy's already up there fishing. You got hit twice? You got hit twice? Oh, you're just waving? Yeah. He was just waving. We're not gonna wait any more time, we're gonna get to fishing. Josh over here slaying them. Nice brown on the HD Natural. I'm gonna go above you then a bunch. I don't want to jump in on your spot. Cut bow. Not sure what they were catching, but I think this might be the first cut bow of the day. First catch for me out of the Eagle River. Oh, well, there it goes. Nice though, catching a fish in every spot. Hey guys, every time I turn my camera off, I get a fish.
What you want, son?
It's not a bad brown, dude.
Yeah, it's good color.
Oh, sweet. Woo! Oh! Yep. Woo! Hey, that was the best part, was seeing him. Oh, that was awesome, you guys. Yep. Oh my God. It's fighting hard. Jeez, what do I got? I must have a foul hook. It can't be that big. Oh, it's not a bad size. Never mind.
Capo?
Gotcha. Hey, that's a capo. It's gonna take me a second to get my hook out of this net, so I'm gonna one-hand this to you and show you. It's a beautiful fish. All right, you guys, so that was a great day of fishing. We went to 3 spots, 2 on the Colorado River, 1 on the Eagle River, brand new for us on the channel, and all of us got fish out of all the spots. So you can't ask for a much better day than that.
Nope, cannot.
Cole, Josh, good to go fishing with you guys.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, definitely good to meet you guys, and hopefully, like always, with all of our subs, guys, hopefully we can do some more fishing again soon.
Yeah.
We're in your town, we'll call you guys up.
Yeah, they're from the Front Range, and they drove all the way up here to the Western Slope, so it's cool of them to do that. Next time, we're gonna have to go down there to their neck of the woods. So, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that like button if you did, subscribe if you're new, and make sure you hit that notification bell, you guys, because we got a lot more fun content coming, okay? Until next time, Team Coff signing out.